Hi, my name's Emily Moore, and I'm a University of Glasgow vet school graduate. I'd never been to Glasgow before. I'd never really even left the US very much before I came here, so it was a bit nerve-wracking, but they ease you into it quite well, actually. You're not jumping right into learning CPR and learning surgery, although you get those base skills down quite early on, and then you build those skills up, and you're not actually working with any live animals in any kind of critical situation until probably third or fourth year. I think the Equine Center is quite hands-on. It's one of the more hands-on rotations we have. We're hands-on doing physical examinations. We also have all kinds of really cool things. We have a new MRI machine that I was here right when they put the MRI machine in. We did loads of surgeries. I actually participated in a surgery while I was here. I got to do some suturing. I got to watch the entire process from start to finish. We saw a colic surgery where they actually opened up the abdomen of a horse. So it's very hands-on here at Wipers. Once you're actually thrown into the hands-on things, you actually feel more like a vet. I think that's quite motivating. And I think the clinicians do a really good job of making you feel like part of a team as opposed to just a student. Some of the clinicians I'd had lectures from, so it's not just you come to Wipers on your first day of equine rotation, it's your first time here. You do get to do practicals and things here beforehand throughout your 5 years here. So you're more familiar with the layout and you will see some familiar faces. I would absolutely recommend coming to University of Glasgow, especially for people in America, US students, even worldwide. People in Glasgow are so friendly, and I've felt completely at home here. Scotland's a gorgeous country. University of Glasgow has been really supportive. They do a good job of teaching you day one knowledge. So day one is essentially what they would expect a new graduate to know your first day on the job, and they do a really good job of focusing in on that and giving you those experiences for day one knowledge. When I got here, I could not imagine myself as a veterinarian. It just felt such a faraway goal, but as kind of vet school progressed, and especially now, I'm ready. I think I'm definitely ready to step out into the world and be a veterinarian.